Hello everyone. Today we are going to build a core shell nanowire. For this, first we will import our shell. We will have copper as shell and silver as core. So I will import the copper CF file. This is the copper CF file, and if we add the AG into it, what we will get is, we can see there's a minimum lattice mismatch, and that's the reason we don't need to do much to form a nanowire out of this. So I will close this and once again import the copper. So to build a core shell structure, first we will expand this. So for this we will go to edit data, unit cell, and transform. We will transform this into 3 cross 3 cross 3 supercell. Okay, so here we have our 3 cross 3 cross 3 supercell. We'll save this supercell as XYZ file. So for this, go to File, Export Data, and here save as XYZ. 3 cross 3 cross 3. Also, what we need is we need to save this file as WASP, which we will use later on. So this will be same using Cartesian coordinates. We'll say this. Okay. Now, in order to have a nanowire out of it, what we will do is we'll cut the units atoms at the center. Core shell nanowire. So we will build a core area here by deleting this atom. So here we have a core, empty core, and in this empty core we will add our AG unit cell. We will save this file as XYZ, export data once again, and we'll have this as CU core, CU shell dot XYZ. Now we will import our core. For this, we'll open the unit cell for AG. Here we can see that we have 3 cross 3 cross 3, but what we will need is we need only 3 cross 3 across the A dimension. So we will expand the AG unit cell or transform the AG unit cell as 3 cross 1 cross 1. So this is the unit cell that we have. We will save this file as XYZ. Go to edit, AG, 3 cross 1 cross 1 XYZ file. Save. So here we have our XYZ. Now we'll open our XYZ file for copper, that is this. Shell, CU shell. So here we have our CU shell with an empty core, and we will add the core into it. So for this, go to edit data, phase, import the phase. The phase that we have is here. We'll apply. As we can see, it's added at the corner, and we will place it at the center. For this, we'll change this to 2, 3. Here we can see a slight more is needed. Perfect. So it's here perfectly. Now we'll add it to the z dimension, that is 2. Then we'll add the same. So here we have our core shell structure ready. Click apply. Okay. We have some extra items. We'll delete them. So this is our core shell structure that we have. Now we will save this file as XYZ. So for this file, export data, CU AG Nanowire XYZ. Now we will use our open this file in open the file that we have. This is CUAG Nanowire XYZ. Total 167 atoms. We will copy all these atoms into an Excel file. Here paste, use text import wizard, finish. So here there are total 140 atoms of copper and 27 atoms of silver. We'll use this file to edit the vast file that we have. We'll copy all these coordinates, open our vast file that we have saved for CU 3x3x3. This here we will select all of them, delete and paste the new coordinates. We have a total 140 atoms of copper and Ag atoms were 27. We will add a vacuum of 10 Armstrong on the z-axis, so I'll add it here 20, and now save the file as CUAG core shell. Now we'll go to VESTA, open the file. So here we have our core shell nanowire structure form. Though we have built this particular structure, but we cannot use this structure for calculations directly. We need to have some more changes into it, but this structure can be used as a model. So thank you for watching this video, and also subscribe to watch more such videos. Thank you.